Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make nutritious quinoa khichdi for your baby. Quinoa is an excellent choice, packed with essential nutrients. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids crucial for your baby's growth. Plus, it's rich in important minerals like iron and magnesium, supporting overall healthy development. This gentle dish is also very easy for tiny tummies to digest. Let's gather our simple ingredients for this wholesome meal. You'll need about 1/4 cup of quinoa and 2 tablespoons of split yellow lentils, also known as moong dal. For flavor and added nutrition, have a small pinch of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of ghee ready. Finally, ensure you have 2 cups of water or a mild homemade vegetable broth for cooking the khichdi to perfection. Now, let's get cooking. First, thoroughly rinse both the quinoa and moong dal several times under running water until the water runs clear. Next, combine the rinsed quinoa and dal with 2 cups of water in a pressure cooker or a heavy-bottomed pot. Cook until the mixture is very soft and mushy, which usually takes about 3 whistles in a pressure cooker. Finally, mash it well to a smooth, lump-free consistency suitable for your baby. When it's time to serve, always ensure the quinoa khichdi is warm, but never too hot for your little one. A wonderful tip is to stir in a tiny amount of ghee just before serving. It adds healthy fats and enhances the flavor. If you have any leftovers, store them promptly in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Remember to consume any stored khichdi within 24 hours to maintain its freshness and safety.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.